Today I'm making a stew, a traditional Persian stew, which is lots of vegetables and beef, which is going to be balanced between beef and vegetables. This is stew called green bean stew.
The method of preparing all ingredients before cooking is known as mise en place, a French culinary term meaning everything in its place. This technique involves tasks like washing produce, measuring spices, dicing vegetables, and gathering equipment ahead of time to create a smooth, organized, and stress-free cooking experience. All right, everything is ready. Time to start the fun part, cooking. In a large pot, heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil and sauté onion. While the onions are softening up, let's get those mashed potatoes started. Pop 4 medium-sized potatoes into a small pot. Cover with water, add a spoonful of salt, and let them cook until tender. Now add chopped garlic to sizzling onion. Carrots go in next. Now time to add spices to mixture. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Adjust the measurements the way you like it. Give everything a good stir so the flavors come together beautifully. Green beans go in. Mix it up and let them join the flavor. Cherry tomatoes join the party. Give everything a stir so they mix right in. Now it is meat time. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and then add the meat. Sear it on high heat to lock in all those delicious flavors. Season the meat with a teaspoon of salt and add 2 cups of water to start cooking the meat. I am aiming for dinner in 40 minutes, so the pressure cooker is my secret weapon for tender meat. If time isn't tight, other handy tools like an Instant Pot can get the job done. Time to check in on our stew. Wow, it's really coming together beautifully. Our potatoes are looking great too, soft and ready to mash. The pressure cooker is on and singing its little tune. That means our meat is getting perfectly cooked. Just another 25 minutes to go. Now is the perfect time to add chopped potatoes, just enough so they cook through without turning into mush. Let's get those mashed potatoes going. They are the ultimate side dish. I am adding 1 chopped, de-seeded jalapeno to give our stew a little kick. Just the right amount of heat. Please note, safety check. Always deflate the pressure before lifting the lid to keep things safe in the kitchen. The meat's done to perfection, now ready to join the veggies. Add the meat and its rich broth to the pot. Give it a good stir and let the stew work its magic and flavors blend beautifully. Cover the pot and let stew simmer for about 5 minutes so all those flavors can blend together. Complete the dish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, stirring it gently to mix the flavors. The stew is done and ready to serve. In a deep plate, place a bed of mashed potatoes and finish it off with a few hearty scoops of our stew on top. Pure comfort food. Loved this recipe? Make sure to subscribe, drop a comment, and tap the bell to catch my next delicious dish.